Bullish Dogecoin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 32 cents and 61 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Doge could reach 25 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is 5 cents. Dogecoin presentation. Programming designers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer thought of the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke in light of the then widespread cryptographic money hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. In spite of being wry, certain individuals view it as a suitable monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's seal and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its internet-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It presently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the Chief Association. If it's not too much trouble, note that the forecasts recorded underneath are expected to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation counsel. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin ventures. Anyway, we should jump into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Shared, open-source cryptographic money. Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective money and an amusing image coin. An outline of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first imagined as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in prominence. At the point when the digital currency bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On web-based trades for advanced monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. What's more, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the complete number of coins that might be given, digital currencies like Bitcoin are deflationary. However, Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into course as mining rewards is split at regular intervals. And until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Dogecoin is at present worth 7 cents USD. Doge has moved 0.10% as of now with an exchanging volume of $254,738,144. Dogecoin is at present positioned 8 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $10,023,370,267 USD. Dogecoin is right now worth 7 cents USD. Doge has moved 0.10% as of now with an exchanging volume of $254,738,144. Dogecoin is right now positioned 8 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $10,023,370,267 USD. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Dogecoin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Doge cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 10 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 10 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 8 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Dogecoin Doge cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 17 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Doge's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 14 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 15 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 25 cents and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 23 cents and a low of 21 cents in 2025. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Dogecoin effectively supports market opinion among digital currency fans, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 32 cents, with a base cost of 28 cents and a typical cost of 30 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 37 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 35 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Doge has a most extreme value worth of 39 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 44 cents. On the off chance that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 46 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 43 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 50 cents and a yearly cost close above 53 cents in 2029. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Dogecoin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 57 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 61 cents, averaging out at 58 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Doge cost in 2031 is projected to be 70 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 67 cents. And, as one of the first elective monetary standards, Dogecoin was created as a speedy and prompt installment framework in light of the Litecoin blockchain engineering. The task's objective was to fabricate areas of strength for a base for an engaging and easy-to-use Litecoin elective. When Dogecoin started, the possibility of cryptographic forms of money had proactively acquired boundless acknowledgement, with Bitcoin arriving at new highs on the lookout. Thus, the Dogecoin people group immediately shaped to advance and address Dogecoin, which was at first showcased as image coin. Doge, a notable and popular image, is portrayed in the Shiba Inu K9 variety's prestigious logo for Dogecoin. Notwithstanding all chances, Doge has ascended to the highest point of the cryptographic money market, generally due to web-based entertainment publicity and its openness to a large number of worldwide socioeconomics. What is the Dogecoin cost today? Today, Dogecoin is exchanging at 7 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $10,023,370,267. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Dogecoin ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that Doge is a decent decision of venture. How high could Dogecoin at any point go? The typical cost of Dogecoin might conceivably reach 10 cents this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Dogecoin might outperform 46 cents. What amount will Dogecoin be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prominence of digital currency and Doge